All right, today is Sunday, September 4th, and gonna try and get the Hudson running today. I bought this car about a month ago, Redfield, South Dakota, $1,500. I did take the head off, clean the carbon off of it. I did clean the carbon off the pistons, the valves, cleaned all that up the best I could. Compression was pretty low. I was getting like 25 in those front two cylinders. You know, the highest I'd get is like 40. And then the manual tells you to check it when it's warm. Well, you can't, you know. So after I did the head gasket replacement, I didn't get much better improvement. 30, 40, 30, 20, 35, 20. I think is what I got, but not very good. But I've got some gas, got a gas line feeding the carburetor, put some gas in it, got the water filled up, fresh oil in there. Fire it up, see if she'll go. I also put a 12-volt battery in there. I have an extra starter, but it's just temporary to get that engine spinning over faster. I do have spark. I checked at all the plugs. She should go. Let's try it. Idling now. It's running, which is freaking awesome. Don't have to do anything with that engine.